Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Charger SXT. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 3.6 V6 pushing out 292 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch white wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black cloth interior. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, Charger all-wheel drive badging. Coming up front over here, opening up the tailgate. We've got a clean set of floor mats, Beats by Dre audio system. Coming up front, this one does come with the keyless entry, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This Charger has 44,460 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Charger, check out feldmanimports.com.